the top of it. You see that it's a little bit cute, adorable, with hints of the violets, lilac, or however you're saying. It's really soft, and it does completely covers on the top of number 3. It's fancy blue. I'm so obsessed with this. It looks different in under the camera because it looks like it's just another nail polish, gel polish. If you look at it, it's just a spotlight you on yourself, and just is even the outside or inside, you just tilt your nails a little bit. It looks so freaking stunning. So here for 60 seconds on this one, okay? Hello everyone. Hi. Let me see. I want to stop for a second and say hi. Pagaslin, hello Mika. I didn't see you come in, but I saw Brazil say hello Mika. So I guess I just missed Mika comment, but Mika, okay, Mika here and on Twitch. That's polish is beautiful. It's awesome. Thank you. Hi, Annie from Facebook. All right, so this is the first nail. It's adorable. So I am not sure what color you get, but a lot of you will get this, like colors of the dramatic glitters, loose glitters in a designer pattern. So I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. So this is our first look. And then we're going on the second looks, and the second looks we're using number 3 fancy blue for all of you just tuning in. And then Aurora, I have number 35, and I know that a lot of you will get number 35, and a lot of you will get number 30, 31. So there are 9 colors in this subscription box. Okay, Glitz love it. Glitz don't duct tape you just one colors. We want to give you a lot of variety, so then you be your own uniques and create so many designs as you wish. So now with this one, it's so stunning and cool. I am so obsessed, and I really want this, a little bit hint of this. Okay, and now here's the thing. If you don't want to have whole things to transfer, is completely on the nails. So what you need to do is really, I'll show you a tip, really easy tips right here. Apply the no wipe top coat completely the nails. Okay, so then that way it will not stick on your nails color, because your gel polish is still have a tacky layer. So you want to put this no wipe top coat to protect, and then you're gonna go in with your premium eye hole transfer foil gel and create this whatever patterns you want. If you want to like, if you will see that I did it a while ago with a lot of stripe for zebra, you can also do that. You can do however you want by using this. If you need to do detail with this, you will definitely can create them. You know what, this one looks cool though. Maybe look at that. Oh my god. Okay, so now got an idea. It dry already, so I'm gonna using a twin tip brush and drop just one drop. We're gonna do a centerpiece using this foil, and just draw the same size as this frame right in the center. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So do not worry, because you're gonna have a frames on, and then you're also going to get the crystal placement around that. So make sure it is really hard to see because it's so clear. I'm gonna try my best to get this is a perfect shape, but hey, it's okay because we'll have a frame on it. So now as you are seeing it closer to the shape of this, here for 60 seconds. I'm sorry, 30 seconds. You do not need this for 60 seconds, 30 seconds. And then you can place it any part you want. And then also keep in mind there's a whole box of it, so you can use this, you can use any of this, and then you might have similar pattern, but then that is a unique box for your subscription box. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see all your beautiful creation. And then the contest, everybody can enter. Okay, everybody enter that. When you are getting your sub box, you can absolutely enter to win the whole year of the subscription box. Thank you, Aika. Thank you, Dom. Thank you, Mika. All right, thank you, Brazil. So now 30 seconds, and then you can do anything. I'm gonna place it right here. My nails, my hands had a cuticle oil. How is that? All right, it's good because it's only transferred to where I have it, so it's perfect. So now that's all I need, and I am going to using condensed glue gel, which is for all of you just tuning in. This is the first step, and second step we're going to use from a crystal Trifecta. So this will definitely nails all of your crystal placements, charm and chains placement and designs in one place. Just talking about that, me and Mika will have a hard time to remove my nails, even short nails with crystal placement before I have this set on. I say, oh, probably it's gonna come off. My nails will come off before my crystal placements is coming off. So with thick densities, you do not need a lot. A little go a long way. You can see that how I spread my bristle right here. This is okay. Just don't worry about this. When you're using a top coat, then you don't want to spread your bristle. You want to floating on. But with condensed glue gel, you definitely want to make sure you are blending it, because you don't want to have a big, like lump of yours. Condensed glue gels is stay too thick on the nails, because it's going to flood your crystal. So now with this first step, that is condensed glue gels, and no wet top coat is going to be a second step. And with this step, you are going to float it right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. It means that your condensed glue gel is not going to be clear yet. It's still remaining unclear. So floating right on the top. Okay. And then we're gonna start doing some cool crystal placements right here. And where my crystal jar? Can you open this one, please? Thank you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna place this one right in the center. I love this. It's come in the polished stone. This is from your subscription box September. And then I have this. This adorable shape. I forgot what it calls the shape, because we have over 100 of shape. And I remember once and then I forget, because we have so many shapes out there on available, so then you can check them out. I'm gonna continue add some of the crystal. So it's the best way to do when you place it in like across from each other first, to give it really good like a measures. And then I'm gonna do, there's a lot of cute smaller AB right there. I'm gonna use one, another one, one right there. If you do that, so then you will not worry about, oh my gosh, I put one size 7 crystal and the other one's only 6, so it's like not even for you. So I usually do like across like the patterns first, and then you can't see that if you're missing 1 or 2 crystals, you can easy to add it on. That's the one I got. Awesome. It's really simple, and using just your subscription box. Now if you want anything else, absolutely, you can add beads on, and you can just not add anything on. I think it looks stunning already by itself. If you want to get like more extras, like it's like more dramatically, just add the beads on. Hey everyone, happy Monday. Hope you're having a fabulous Monday. And welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. Welcome, welcome. And congratulations to all of you or get some time to stopping by and able to watch for even a couple minutes. Whether you are doing it for yourself, beautiful nails, welcome, and actually you are taking your skill to the next level. I really hope the videos will give you some inspiration, as I always inspiring each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being amazing, and don't forget to be like that and continue to be amazing, because we need a lot of people like you. Okay. All right, I think I am getting closer to finish this beauty. Ah, it's so beautiful. All right, I always end with like triangle beads, which is really simple. You can using like a 3 little beads put together, so to make it look like a triangle. And then now here's some tips. If you want to add your beads in the middle, absolutely, you can add more on it. Okay, so no limits of what you can able to create, and you can able to add more. You can add more as you prefer, and then you can not, I mean, you can take off or add on. It's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to key until you are happy with this. So if you are feeling you need to adjust anything, do it so before you key. So now I'm happy with this. We're going to key. It looks so extra on this now. All right, so I'm gonna be keying this for 60 seconds. It looks so cute and extra though. Feel like I need